That's good. Now, what's the name about?
Big Snow.
Big Snow. Not say the name long. I want to ask one or two. Why like about your outfit? What's it cost?
Man, cheap.
How we say cheap?
Yeah.
Like I don't. First thing what they see, now they see Gucci
For my glass,
for your lens. You know what I'm saying?
the Gucci not fake, 70 card. My God, cut down, you're enough for me, 70 euro. So
like
I believe in our fake because it's too cheap to be real.
Is it too cheap? Like your car book, what is the cost?
I'm not like 50 card, So my shirt not like 30, 40 euro. My jeans not like 50 card. My shoe not like 100 something. My wristwatch not like about, let me see, 3 to 400 euros.
So, like your necklace, okay.
And necklace, okay, I feel understand. This is only like 1,008.
You sound say
It's not 900, 70 euro,
Almost 2M, do your day like that. It's sharp. You too much, but you soft, you soft.
Yes, brother.
I love it. I love it.